Hey there, I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today I have here for my review the Debra DV02 wireless microphone system. I was in need of some wireless microphones. I already have a Lapele mic, and it kind of limits my mobility around the studio, so I decided to invest a bit and buy a wireless kit. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is the box. I have it here for review for some time. I am not using it yet, but I already opened to see how it is and if everything is okay. So in the box I have here a small user manual. Let's see what they have here. Okay, it doesn't seem to open. Okay, we have a small user manual. This is not rocket science, so we just have a few indications of what each button does. And it ends here. Right now in this page is already in Chinese, the same thing. Yeah, okay. So in the box we have a transmitter and two transmitters and one receiver. We have also an adapter for your camera with a hot shoe mount, and it is adaptable. I will put this in here. We have here also, some cables. Okay, this one doesn't have. This is a stereo cable, 3 rings, one for ground, one for each channel. It brings this one. It's a normal cable. It doesn't have a label. This one, it's a mono cable to a 4 rings jack. So what this means is the ground, left and right, and the mic already here. This cable is normally for mobile phones. Let me see what the sticker or the label says. Yeah, this is for mobile phone. And we have here also another one that it says it's for camera line. Okay, and this one is from mono to stereo. Okay, we have left, right, and ground, the jack. Also in the bag we have 2 Lapele mics, or Lavalier, someone says. Yeah, 2 Lapele mics. And let me take this out. We have here a RF receiver and one emitter and another one. Okay, so we don't have much things to know. On the top we have here a light it has light when it is on. We have a monitor, headphones for you can know what the sound is like when talking, or if it is working okay, the levels and everything else. And we have the out button. Here is where you connect to one of these cables to connect to the mobile or to the camera or to the PC or whatever. You have here the power on button. Okay, and you have 2 AA batteries, and we have, I think, we have here a little key that allows you to control the sound of the receiver. Okay, that passes to the line. Let me just put here 2 batteries. I have it here already. Okay, we have a small light here I will show you when I connect, and we have already the red light on. I will power it off, I think. Okay, it's off. So now we have another one emitter or transmitter. On this one, we have the select for channel selection and for volume of the mic. Okay, nothing else. We just have here also auxiliary in, aux in, if you want, and the mic. This mic connects here. Okay, and the last one, I have also here some batteries for it. Okay, and also, yeah, it has a nice design. It's not too big. Yeah, it's a little big, but compared to other higher range or higher price wireless mics, but yeah, it's not too big. This system, it fits well on a pocket if you want to, on the back, on the, yeah, I don't see much of a problem here. Okay, let's connect this to, this is really easy to work. You just connect the normal, the RF, and you have here also the power on for this one. In here you have the battery indicator, the power signal, the strength of the signal. If you are using channel 1 or channel A or channel B, and yeah, the megahertz. Let me click here again, and the megahertz of the channel. We can change the power, the volume, as you can see. 1 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum. By default it comes at 4. And you can also change the channel. For example, this 19, it's 538.5. I don't know if this changed. It has 30 channels. It was on the 12, so let me put this on the 12. And the frequency, it's a little different. Okay. When connected, you have here, let me see if I can show, a blue light for the channel A. And let's connect the B. Right now you have a blue light and a green light. Okay, I hope you can see this one. Yeah, this is a really nice system. It was about 30 euros, or I think, maybe even less. So yeah, I was quite impressed by this. Let's see how is the quality. I will have to make a pause because I have to connect this to the computer. I record directly on the computer, so I have to connect this to the computer. I'm gonna use this one, this cable. Yeah. Okay, out. Okay, I have connected the receiver to the computer. Right now I have here the microphone. I'm using my Lapele microphone, but that one has it's by cable connected directly. I don't use the camera to record. Well, I use it because it's recording, but I don't save the videos on the camera. It's saved directly on the computer. Okay, as I told you, this was about 30 euros or $35, 25 euros. I don't know right now the exact price. I will leave the price on below here, somewhere on the description. It doesn't matter. You will have a link on the description for this, so you can check it out how much it will be to order for your country. But as I was telling you, this was about 30 euros, something like that. Well, this is plastic. If you leave it fall, probably it might break. It's not very strong, but it has a nice design. It's compact. It will fit well on your on a pocket or something like that. And yeah, it seems a nice product for the price and what you get with that price. It seems okay. So I'm quite satisfied with this purchase, and I will take this outside. And since this is UHF, and since this is outside, it probably will have some range. And yeah, let's see how it works. But one thing today, it's a very sunny day in Portugal. It might interfere because of the UV rays and well, everything else. As you know, UHF works better at night outside. Well, it's only to see the range, the distance we can walk with this, because I believe that in studio you shouldn't have to be very far away from the camera where the sound should be normally. Okay, let's take this baby to the outside and see how it goes. Okay guys, now it's the time to test the distance I can walk with the microphone. I'm gonna walk through this bridge until the end, and I believe it's something like 50 meters. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how it goes. A small walk. There is these reviews to take me out of the desk and walk a little. A job in inventory. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Today is a good day. Nearly halfway. Okay, it seems to be working. Let's almost there. Okay, I should have a hat because it's. Yeah, hope that you can hear me in conditions. Let's and I don't see how we can use this in big distance. This kind of mic usually for mobility in the studio or something like that, but yeah, you are too far away to use this mic at this distance. This is only a test because I don't believe it will be necessary. Anyway, let's test the equipment to see the range. I will see the results on editing and we'll see on the video how it goes. I hope that it doesn't cut. This is UHF, so even with the obstacles on the way, we should be able to listen to the problem. So yeah, okay, I'm back. I hope that the tests went okay without a lot of breaks. Let's see. I'm going back now to the edition and see how it went. Okay, so I'm back, and due to editing magic, we are now here, and as you can see, we have several breaks in when walking in and going through the distance. Yeah, I already told you because it was the brightest point of the day here in Portugal. It's between noon and 3 o'clock, and this was recorded at that hour. Anyway, I think it's a nice purchase. I won't change my opinion. It's cheap audio kit. You have a lot for the price you pay, and yeah, I won't change my opinion even with those breaks on the walk. Yeah, I still like it. I'm doing the recording of this using this mic or wireless transmitter, and yeah, quite satisfied. So yeah, and take a look. I leave on the description field the link to this product. Go there and See if it fits you. For me, it will be okay. For the reviews I do and for having some mobility on the studio instead of having one that is with the cable attached. Yeah, I find this a nice product. Okay, I hope that this review was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I have a new review. That's it for today. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in my next video.